Is it on?
Say, come on in.
Hey, y'all, come on in. Guess where I am again? It's Thursday. No, it's Friday afternoon, late evening, whatever time of day is. We still storm watching. So this is Storm Watch Dinner Part 3. So I'm getting ready to just make one of these one dish meals. I'm going to do a chicken rice casserole. So what I'm going to do first to speed up the process, I'm going to go ahead and brown some of this chicken in the pan. It'll cook it a little bit. And then it's going to end up in there. Oh.
And she's got drumsticks.
Yeah. Hold on just a minute. Okay, this chicken, I've already pre-seasoned it just to save time. I've got these are chicken thighs and of course the drumsticks. And on the seasoning that I've used is in equal parts 2 tablespoons of garlic, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, a tablespoon of salt, and of course, you know, my complete season. I got 2 tablespoons of that, and a tablespoon of black pepper on here to get it seasoned up really good. So I'm doing this, like I say, just to get it kind of a little bit cooked through, because you know it takes a good little while for thighs to cook. And I'll be cooking it in my heavy duty cast iron pan for about an hour, 15 minutes, and we ought to be able to sit down and eat. So while I'm doing the chicken, it is mixing. I want to get all of it in there at the same time. So if you just stuff it in there, it's not going to hurt nothing. Because after I do this, I'm going to go ahead and saute some peppers and onions that I've already pre-chopped. As you know, the storm is still rolling in. It's raining. It's slacked off just a little bit. But they still saying the worst is yet to come, so we'll see. Now, while that chicken is browning on medium-high heat, I'm going to go ahead and start putting my rice mixture together, because to do this casserole, I got to have a mixture. So what I'm going to do over here on the side, not get your bowl out that side. And I'm going to, you know, I have to switch it up a little bit. I normally use that liquid onion soup mix, but we're using it today. We're going to use this cheesy Alfredo pasta sauce as a base for the liquid, to help out with the liquid in here. So we're going to put that on, excuse me for a second. Give me my spatula. So we're just going to go ahead and empty this jar. Oops, boo-boo. So we're just going to empty that jar of Alfredo sauce in there. And to that, because I'm going to put 3 cups of rice. Now, you know, in cooking rice, you're supposed to do 2 to 1. But I'm not going to do that much liquid, because these pans cook so well. Let me clean that up. I can't do nothing with this one. Got that cleaned up. Okay. So, I've got these little chicken bouillon cubes because I didn't have any chicken broth. So what I took is, I took 4 chicken bouillon cubes and put a 1/4 cup of water in them, and I melted them down. So it's like a heavy chicken broth. I'm going to pour that in. And then I'm going to add about 4 more cups of liquid. Okay. I'll probably end up putting some more liquid later on. And because the kids didn't use all the milk, you can use heavy whipping cream or whatever. I'm going to add the rest of this whole milk in here. It's about 3/4 of a cup, but normally you just go ahead and do a cup. I'll add the extra liquid that I need with water. And make sure you just beat it up real good. And this is going to be the liquid that I use with that rice. Okay. I'm trying to be nice and use my measuring tool, so I'm going to go ahead and start putting the rice in here, because the rice is going to be in the bottom of this pan. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. And just to make sure it was 3 cups. You got to put that one for good measure in there. So now, to this mixture, I want to throw in there probably about a tablespoon of black pepper. Okay? And then a tablespoon of garlic powder. And you know I got to put my complete seasoning in there. This is good stuff right, y'all. Okay, now, remember we already talked about when you're doing stuff like this, and oh, by the way, this is a new one too. I haven't done this before, so of course I'm going to have to taste that mixture to make sure it has enough salt, because this flavor has to cook into the rice, and of course the chicken is already seasoned. So I'm going to taste that. It's just about perfect, y'all. So what I'm going to do, because I want just a little bit more flavor, and I've also got to add my extra little bit of liquid, about another, just to make up for that. Remember, I didn't have quite a cup of milk, and we need to rinse all that out of there. And for those of you who have the magic ingredient, that Gold Mountain seasoning, how about let's squirt about a tablespoonful of that in there, okay? And just mix it up really good. I'm going to go ahead and pour that mixture right into that rice. So, the rice mixture and the liquid, the rice there, it's all mixed up in there. And of course, that rice will absorb all that juice. And we'll have a casserole. And my chicken is telling me it's ready to be turned. I can smell it. It's ready to be turned. So what you do, you get a good stir on it. You give it a good color. And I'm going to let it cook another 10 minutes on this side. Take that out. Saute those peppers and onions and throw it all in the pan, and then we'll put it in the cover it with some aluminum foil and run it into the 375-degree oven for about an hour and 10 to 15 minutes. We'll check it at 1 hour. And I've got a stick of butter standing by. When I get everything put together, I'm going to pour that stick of butter right on top of it, because I think this got to be extra good, because this is going to be the main dish today. Got a few leftover corn muffins, we can do those, or we can do us a grilled cheese sandwich with it. We sort of freestyling this week. Okay, I don't want to do that. Don't try this at home. That one just didn't want to come over. Okay, so meanwhile, this has got to cook another 10 minutes, so I'm going to sign off a minute and come back, okay?
Okay, I'm filming.
Okay, y'all, we're gonna rush this along, get this chicken going on top of the rice, because this is gonna be a rush job.
Stove ain't on.
We're gonna turn the stove on. Y'all give me a set. We need to turn the stove on to 375. Okay. Our lights are flickering. Y'all. See, y'all pray with me. I need 1 hour on the stove. Okay. Our power is messing with us. Get skillet into here, so now we're going to go ahead and we're just going to saute these a little bit, but the way the recipe goes, they should be sauteed about 10 minutes. So what we're going to do here, we're going to go ahead, because I'm praying, I ask the Lord, may I please have an hour and 15 minutes to finish this meal, so we're going to get caught right here in the middle with this raw chicken and rice. Okay? All the chicken in. Going. Okay. Yeah, we're really supposed to saute this, but you know what? I'm not going to saute it all the way. The oven still got to get hot. I mean, you know.
You can saute it until it gets
yeah. The oven ain't going to do no more what it's going to do. Seriously. And I trust the Lord, however this turn out, it's going to be.
He's going to give us an hour and 30 minutes.
Yeah. So we just going to these lights have been flickering off and on a little bit all afternoon.
Yep.
I need a little bit more black pepper on there. I didn't get enough to satisfy me because I didn't see it. So just about another teaspoon of black pepper on there.
Okay. And when we come back, we'll show you how it looks all put together.
Yeah.
Well,
I'm sauteing this, and while I'm sauteing, I got the heat under this pan over here because this can just start getting hot. But the oven is not quite heated up. We've got something on the stove there. This one, smell that. So this is all about flavor and color and filling in those juices for these peppers and onions. Let's see, I got them. Now, so we're good to go.
okay.
Start putting these peppers and onions into this dish. I'm going to switch burners because that one's on high. Big burner. While I'm doing this, just getting that pan heated up to go into the oven. Rushing, y'all, trying to make good use of this hour the Lord's going to give me. Okay. So.
We're just adding the peppers in with the mixture.
See, I mean, good too, y'all.
I'm her sous chef today and her videographer.
Y'all know I don't use no flavor nowhere, so we gotta get the rest of that little flavor out of there. Just pour it around on there like that. And then I got a stick of butter that I'm just gonna pour on there.
Mmm.
Just extra flavor. Okay. So we're ready to cover this. I'm gonna cover it with foil and stick it in the oven. Y'all know we praying about that extra hour and 15 minutes for it to cook for us, okay? That dish is ready to go into the oven. I'm gonna put the foil on it. Look, y'all, what happened to my foil. Somebody pulled it like that, probably me too. But that was all, this is good foil. So y'all pray with me now. Pray, y'all pray.
Pray. It's enough.
Pray.
It's enough.
Woo, we made it. I didn't realize how to have it. That was all the foil I had. Thank y'all.
All right.
Thank y'all.
Going in the oven and we'll show you what it looked like.
Indian part. Yeah. Okay, y'all, there it is, that big beautiful pan of Peggie's chicken casserole ready to be consumed. Boy, we're hungry too because it's sort of about 8 o'clock in the evening. I also ran through the freezer and found some lima beans. And of course, I had a few corn muffins left from last night. So we're going to sit back, relax, and enjoy this meal before the lights go out. See, God is so faithful. I asked him to let those lights stay on one more hour to get this meal done. So he did. You know, the word of God tells us that we have not because we ask not. So when I have a petition, I put it before the Lord. Something as simple as letting us cook the meal. Now, these lights been flickering and flashing all over the place, but he allowed us to fix this meal. We're going to eat it, enjoy it, and relax the rest of the evening. The rain, just to give you a little bit of an update, the rain has subsided some now, but it's still out there, and we're still under threat of severe flooding. So we're just going to trust God through the rest of the evening. I hope that any of y'all that are listening to me or watching this video, if you're in harm's way, we continue to just pray for you that overnight that all is well. I also just heard from Tansy. She's still in New Bern where all that flooding is, but God has lifted her and her clients above it. She's well. She's doing okay. Just got through talking to her by way of text. So all is well. Thank y'all again for all the prayers. Okay, so until I cook again, I'm going to say toodaloo and keep those prayers going up, y'all, so those blessings will continue to come down. Love you guys.